Welcome back to the channel. We just couldn't wait to share this project with you. Behind me, I've got an absolutely fabulous recently completed project, which is a Hardwick kitchen finished in our Oxford blue and our Highland stone. It's sitting on a Portland oak cupboard, which means that the open units such as the wine drawers and the open shelving complement it superbly. It also benefits from a walk-in larder and larder fridges and freezers and a bank of Neff appliances. Just check this video out and see what you think. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. It really helps our channel grow. And if you're in the market for a kitchen yourself and would like us to look at your project, why not drop in and see us at 63 St John's. We'll look forward to seeing you there.